morning. Just wanted to give you an idea. This is my second year here and I just got promoted. I'm keeping working for this guy, okay?
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. Did you ever see it out, well in the town, down by the bay? Did you ever see it out, well in the town, down by the bay?
So, are you excited? I certainly am. 44 megapixel eye autofocus front camera and a 64 megapixel rear camera certainly is a complete photography package, and a class-leading slimness of just 7.38 mm make it one of the most desirable smartphones in the segment. With features like 4K video, slow-mo, dual view, super macro and super night mode, V20 is certainly the one to watch out for. So, is that it? Or there is more delight coming your way? Now let me introduce you to V20 SE. 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera along with super night mode and aura screen light, gravity black and aquamarine green. Now with Vivo's advanced 33 watt flash charge technology, you can enjoy a charge up to 62% in just 30 minutes or a full charge in less than an hour. I know you're excited, but you'll have to wait just a little longer to get your hands on V20 SE.
The moment which you have been eagerly waiting for is here. Let's look at the price and offers. The Vivo V20 will come in two variants. The 8128 variant is priced at Rs 24,990, while the 8256GB variant is at just Rs 27,990. Pre-booking starts from today till 19th October. Sales start from 20th October.
Not just this, we have some amazing sales offers across channels. So this brings us to the end of the presentation.